Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what does swap mean on GoPro Fusion 360. If there is swap showing on your display, that means that it has the SIM cards have been inserted in the wrong order, so you should open this door right here, slide them down like that, and you can open them and swap these SD cards. So I'm gonna take them out and put the one that was in SD2 slot into SD1 slot, and the one that was in the SD1 into SD2. And now it should work. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.